Okay, so let's talk about mental health. Let's be honest. Talking about mental health still makes some people awkward, right? Like when you say, I'm anxious, and they reply, pray ka lang. Or when you say, I'm stressed, and they say, matulog ka lang, mawawala yan. Like, wow, sana all ganon kadali, no? But seriously, mental health is something we should openly talk about because pretending to be okay 24/7, oh, that's exhausting. Even Wi Fi needs to reconnect sometimes, right? You see, taking care of your mind is just as important as taking care of your body. Let's say if your stomach hurts, you drink medicine. If your heart hurts, then you scroll TikTok and pretend it's fine, right? But in all honesty, it's okay not to be okay. It's okay to say, hey, I'm struggling today. Because bottling it all up doesn't make you strong. It's just turn you into a walking pressure cooker with Wi Fi. Sometimes what we really need is someone who listens, not someone who give us BS advice like mag-asawa ka na para di ka malungkot. Like, please, no. That's not therapy. That's another problem. Let's start normalizing checking ins. Ask your friends, kumusta ka? Yung totoo. And if someone's open up to you, don't make it weird. You don't need to fix them. Just be there. Listen. And maybe you can share some funny videos, meme after that. That's healing too. So yeah, let's keep talking about mental health. Let's make it as normal as talking about our favorite TV shows or our latest chismes. Because laughter's health. Yes, but so does honesty. So remember, it's brave to ask for help. It's strong to rest. And it's totally okay to be a little mental sometimes. We all are, just in different Wi Fi strand, I guess. So take care of your mind, your heart, and